There is a place on our planet that has escaped time. A sanctuary to a stunning diversity of wildlife. And one very special member of the bear family. A spirit bear, the rarest bear in the world. Join us on an adventure to one of the wildest places on Earth. See what the new generation of First Nations stewards are doing to help protect the natural balance.
Is that the cub? Oh, so cute.
Take a remarkable journey into one of the most awe-inspiring landscapes on the planet. Find out what it means to be truly wild. Great Bear Rainforest, a film for IMAX and giant screen theaters